ready to do spots. So I need a paper towel, just kind of fold it up here. I've got some water in this container. I've just put a little bit of black food coloring, liquid gel food color in here. And I need a small paintbrush. Take a little of this water and pop it in with the food color. Take your brush, dab it in the food color, dab it in the water, and then put some on the paper towel. Idea is we just want a little bit of the food color watered down to make all these little spots. Okay, so we can just start on these fins. They go all the way out on the fins, it looks like, so just kind of dab it all over. And you'll be able to tell, like this one, there's a little bit too much water in that. So I need just a little bit more food color there. If I were to use the food color by itself, though, it would be too thick. Let me just show you one actually. So, like that. It's a little darker than it shows up there on the photo. When you add the water, the spots become a little bit more faint, a little bit more realistic looking. So I'm going to do, whoa, I don't like how that one came out. Better wipe some of that off. Might need to add a little bit more of the dusting color there. Or more spots. So we'll do some of the fins here. Then we'll come up and it looks like they're kind of on both sides of this the pinkish color. A few here, all the way down here. And they go all the way, there's even a couple on the gill area here. Not too many though. Just always have your photo right next to you, like I said.